Well, today we got another gem in. This is a 2003 Toyota Tundra Axis cab, 4-wheel drive, SR5 V8 4.7 with a TRD off-road package. This is a local Oregon truck, since new. CARFAX reports it has two owners. The gentleman that we purchased it from, he is the second owner, but has owned it since early 2005. He purchased the truck with 20,000 miles, I believe, from the Toyota dealer. This is a very clean, accident-free, damage-free Tundra. It's never been off-road. It's never been driven in mud or snow at all. I don't see any dents or scratches at all. Seems to be all original paint that is in excellent condition. There's no fading, there's no clear coat issues at all. The undercarriage of this truck is like brand new. Zero rust, no coatings, no corrosion. All original VIN tags all over the truck. You got the TRD skid plates there. We just did a complete new mild overland package, including a 2.5-inch BILSTEIN TOYTEC level lift with adjustable BILSTEIN 5100s all the way around. Differential drop, this way it keeps all the geometry to spec. And a brand new Seta, the brand new FALKEN WILDPEAK AT4s. Love these tires. I'm a big BFG fan, but these AT4s as well and the AT3s are great. I believe they're even better in the snow, but personal preference. This Tundra has been very well taken care of and serviced all its life. I have the full file of every service, every maintenance has ever been done on the truck since new. We got all the original manuals, books, all the records, all the keys. I got another full set of keys inside the truck. I'm walking around it. There is no rock chips, there's no scratches. There's minor little rock chip right here, but that's not something to talk about. Other than that, there's no issues. The truck just had a full 5,000 miles ago, just had a complete service, including a new timing belt, water pump, tensioners, idler, new thermostat, new water pump, new coolant. It had full differential services, transmission service, new axles in the front, all done at the Toyota dealer, as well as a few hundred miles prior to that, had a new brake booster and brake fluid flush and replace. Oh, there's another little rock chip right here. So the truck is fully serviced, all the fluids are new. Timing belt is new, etc. This truck is also a non-smoker. It's never been smoked in. The interior is in new condition. This is not your average what you expect a 21 or 22-year-old Tundra to look like. Factory rubber mats since new, with the carpet is in excellent condition, brand new. That's just shadow that you're seeing. It is actually in a great shape. Same goes for the seats. There's no rips, there's no tears at all. And this is a very well cared for car. It wasn't someone that didn't care that owned it. It was always garaged inside his home. Came from one of the best neighborhoods in town. Let's open the back. My understanding, the gentleman never had kids that sat in the back at all either. The headliner's in excellent condition. It's got the factory rear slider. It's got factory heated mirrors. There's no sagging. There's no dimples. There's no rips. There's no stains in the headliner at all. All the lights have been inspected and working as designed. There's no modifications in the truck. It does have a color matching canopy that is lockable as well. Let's go ahead and open it. The bed looks like it's never been used. There's no dents, there's no scuffs, there is no issues at all. It does have the Linux spray-in bed liner with the optional foldable rear window as well, and side windows, fully carpeted canopy with a built-in light right here. Look at the jams of the truck. I mean, it's just stuff like this that tells you the story of who owned the truck. And especially being 100% stock until we just did the suspension upgrade. Factory tow package. Here's the undercarriage of this truck, of this Tundra. Doesn't get any cleaner, any nicer. Look at the bolts. There's no corrosion. BILSTEIN 5100s in the back. BILSTEIN 5100s in the front. Brand new tires, factory mud flaps. Let's go on this side where the light hits better. Look at this undercarriage. When I say 100% rust free, it is 100%. There's no rust, there's no oil leaks, there's no corrosions, there's no issues at all. Your suspension is new, your shocks are new. This truck drives excellent, will ride excellent. This is a very nice setup for the suspension upgrade to get 2.5 inches of extra height in the front. Here's the passenger side. Same thing goes with the seat. You get the extra storage underneath. Let me try to lift this up. You got storage here. Oh, now I locked it. It was unlocked. Same goes on the other side where the jack is. There's the dash. It's in excellent condition. Cup holders. Ashtray has never been used. There's the lighter. They don't make Tundras like this anymore. They will never do. You got most reliable engine Toyota have ever produced with the 4.7. Let's go ahead and look under the hood and get this truck started. This is a local Oregon truck since new. 95,155. Factory stereo with a CD player and a tape player. You know the stereo works. Let's test out the windows. There's a driver's door window. Rolls up and down with ease, quick, no squeaks. There's the passenger window rolling up. There's the passenger window rolling down. There's your heated mirrors as well. This has always been serviced by the same shop since new. The truck shows. Only wear and tear I see on this truck is a little bit of the road rash on the front bumper. You get a few little rock chips. All the original VIN tags. VIN tag, VIN tag. There's a engine bay. It shows how clean it is. It's literally like brand new. It's got a new air filter as well. I forgot to mention. There's no oil leaks. Timing belt service was done by the dealer. This is your fresh coolant, newer battery, new brake booster, and fresh fluids. You don't find them this clean. Love the color combination. All the lights have been checked out and tested as well. Fresh alignment, new alignment on the truck after the suspension upgrade. There's no tire light on. There's no issues at all. Now let's get to the important part. I can finance this truck. up to 84 months if needed. Standard credit union financing. I have a special program with a local credit union. We'll treat this truck and qualify it as if it's a 2020 model. So same rate, same terms. My credit union will do it under this special program. Your bank, your credit union, USAA, Navy Federal, any of that stuff will not do it. They will not qualify it for the term. They will not finance it for the true value and the market value of the truck. So let me help you. I do this every day. There is no early payoff penalty or any of that stuff. There goes one of the lowest mileage Tacomas in the country, just sold and is getting shipped to Hawaii. I can help you ship this truck anywhere in the country, to Alaska, to Hawaii, Chicago, New York, Arizona, California, anywhere. We help you do the whole thing, and I can help you transport it. So no reason for you to miss out on this rare find. I got 95 detailed photos on our website at jordanmotorsports.com. And for pricing, please visit the website. Me and Mark are happy to help you and see what we got to do to earn your business and make this a seamless transaction. Again, it's jordanmotorsports.com. Looking forward to talking to you.